Yes, got me some fresh pair of sneaks. What's up, app grinders? Reggie P here. Hey, let me ask you a question. How would you like to make $50 an hour just by shopping? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how. So stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $50 an hour just to shop. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. Now, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, before I get into how you can get paid $50 an hour just to shop, I want to talk to my small YouTubers out there. Are you guys struggling to get views and subscribers to your channel? Well, today is your lucky day. Just click on the link below that says my #1 tool to increase views and subscribers to your YouTube channel. This same software has helped my channel grow from 20 subscribers all the way up to 300 subscribers within a month. And it can happen to your channel too. So just click on that link below. It's absolutely free. And install it to your YouTube channel and watch your subscribers go all the way up. Alright, please watch this video to the very end because I have a proposition for you guys. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how to get paid $50 an hour just to shop. Let's get it! Okay, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website. It's called North Fork Research. And it says here, your #1 source for all your mystery shopping opportunities, recruiting, and referral needs. So this is a website where they hire people to do mystery shopping. So you're going to be a mystery shopper. So you're going to get paid to shop. All right, let's read some more information about this site. To observe and audit in-store behaviors, we recruit and refer mystery shopping opportunities to highly qualified independent contractors. Our field managing team is your direct contact for all your questions and referral concerns. Okay, here are the services. The information mystery shopping collects provides our partners with a 360 view of the customer experience. We have thousands of independent contractors in our shopper database, and our field managing team is always recruiting new shoppers. If you are looking to outsource your shops, please contact us. So they recruit companies that want people to do mystery shopping for them, to audit and do various things while they're shopping, and then report back to this company, to North Fork, about their shopping experience. Okay, right here it says how to become a shopper. When you apply with North Fork to be a mystery shopper, you are required to review and accept an independent contractor agreement. This agreement specifies the terms of the relationship between shoppers and North Fork and is always available for your review on your shopper profile. So it's free to sign up. As an independent contractor, you make your own schedule, accept the only locations visits you want to complete through our scheduling system. Get paid to shop in some of your favorite retail stores. And from my knowledge, they pay out up to $50 an hour to shop, and you get paid through PayPal. So if you have a PayPal account, which most countries provide that, you're able to do that in a lot of countries, have a PayPal account. You can get paid. So this is available in United States and a lot of other countries worldwide. All right. If you want to know more about doing mystery shopping, go to northforkresearch.com. All right. Now you know the website you need to go to right now that will pay you $50 an hour just to shop. Now go ahead and sign up today and start shopping and start getting that money. Now, thank you for watching this video all the way to this point, and for doing so, I have a proposition for you guys. Now, I just recently reached my 300 subscriber milestone, and for doing so, I rewarded a lucky person with $20 cash or a $20 Amazon gift card. And I rewarded another person for being the 300 subscriber $5. Just free money, just for subscribing and leaving a comment. Now, I'm going to need you guys' help to get to my next milestone, which is 500 subscribers. So if you guys can help me do that, I'm going to reward another person with free money. And all you have to do is just leave a comment in this video down below in the comment section, and in all my other videos leading up to the 500 subscribers. So you need to watch all my videos and leave a comment, because what I'm going to do is randomly pick a comment once I reach my 500 subscribers. Once I reach that milestone, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and reward that person with the money, and reward a second person with the consolation prize. So if you're new, please subscribe and leave a comment down below. All right, that's all I have for this video. So please smash that like button and leave a comment down below if you have a question. And please share this on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and LinkedIn. And please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this on a daily basis. Now, I'm finished. I'm done. Finito. But you don't have to leave just yet. You can stay on my channel and just watch my recommended video right here, or my most recent video right here. Or you can watch all my videos right here, right after I tell you this. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Now go watch my videos. Peace.